There is a lot of people involved in research in the brain, and a really important topic you are all connected to. Otherwise, you would not be here. So for me, it's difficult to invite, from my memory and my brain, everybody. I'll have to read, not to omit someone, so I'm sorry. So ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, both here in Prague, at Czech Institute of Informatics, Robotics and Cybernetics, Czech Technical University of Prague, and also greetings to you, everybody in front of your screens, anywhere you are, either here in Czech Republic or anywhere in the world. I know there is plenty of you. You are all very welcome and all honored. We are very pleased that between you also amongst you there are representatives of academia, embassies, healthcare, industry partners, and international collaborators. As I said, so many important people. Special welcome belongs also to the representatives of Czech Ministry of Industry and Trade, which is supporting the event with the capacity of Building for Ukraine program. Also many thanks to the European Commission and all the others involved. CLARA Days 2025. Do you know how many days Prague AI Days last? Does anybody know? It's 2 weeks, and we are a very important part of these 2 weeks. So as part of CLARA Days, the CLARA Symposium is organized by INDRC, International Neurodegenerative Disorders Research Center, and CIIRC, with the involvement, as I said, all CLARA partners. It is CLARA's official contribution to already mentioned Prague AI initiative. This event is held under the official patronage of Prague City Councillor Daniel Mazur, who sending you best regards. He was supposed to be here, couldn't make it. He's really sorry. We hope he watches us online, but we will have not the pleasure to have him here. Also, I need to mention international backing on InPace, the Indo-Pacific European Hub of Digital Partnerships. And last but not least, we are very pleased to welcome a delegation of 25 university students and academics from Lviv, Ukraine, who are joining us here in person. So welcome. And also warm welcome to Ukraine Catholic University at Lviv, Polytechnical National University. Also, CLARA, Center of Artificial Intelligence and Quantum Computing in System Brain Research, was established with a simple but ambitious idea: to connect, not to isolate, to connect knowledge, data, tools, and people across disciplines, so that we can better understand our brain, our body, and everything you will be all talking about. Looking at Mr. Kachaturian, I remember that we specifically have a father of the Alzheimer's topics between us, so I don't have it written here, but I'm happy to see you specifically, and your son, of course, and everybody else. But I'm happy when I see somebody who I have already read so much about, though I'm not involved in your topic, I'm just a moderator. But once I started to look at what you are doing, I was really, really excited, and I'm getting really to dive deeper. Thanks to all of you. But now let's move. It's my honor to invite representatives of the key institutions supporting and co-organizing this event to offer their opening remarks. As first, let me invite Mr. Dočkal, Director of INDRC and Chair of CLARA Supervisory Board. He will soon officially open CLARA Symposium, so not my little chat trying to be funny and making mistakes in all the difficult and important names. I'm sorry for that. I tried hard, but I couldn't omit it. But I also would like to welcome Mr. Dr. Ondřej Velek, Director of CIIRC CTU. He's representing the hosting institution. And Mr. Václav Snášel, Professor, Director of the CLARA Center from INDRC. So thank you all. And now the more clever part of the conference can begin. The floor is yours, Mr. Dočkal.
Ladies and gentlemen, dear distinguished guests, friends from Ukraine, friends from Vietnam, welcome to Prague. You know, this is a kind of metaphor here, metaphor of collaboration. You know why Prague is so important for collaboration? Not only because of beautiful buildings and beer, but because we are in the middle of the global time zones. If you wish to schedule a meeting between Vietnam and Nevada, exactly we are in the middle. So welcome. I'm very happy to be here with you. Welcome to CLARA. CLARA is not only a project. CLARA is a mission. The platform, the room which is open for you to collaborate, to finally break silos. The evil is in the isolation of the knowledge. We need to break this evil together by doing it with all we can, all across the disciplines, because the innovations actually, it grows on interfaces. And this is exactly what is our ambition in CLARA. So welcome again, and let's celebrate the science and collaboration. Thank you.
May I ask Mr. Dr. Velek for more few words?
So, ladies and gentlemen, I will already not repeat welcoming all so many distinguished guests. I am very happy always when some interesting conference is happening in this building. This project, CLARA, is slightly different from the things which we usually do here. We have a wide scope, but we are very good in smart manufacturing. And I'm already used that many people are coming and want to join this project with us. The CLARA is from completely different field. It's not completely new for us, but I'm very happy that our institute can be member of the team solving the problem. If I say that smart manufacturing is something what should make rich our country, our next generation, so I would say CLARA is a project which is making that we will be able to enjoy our richness, that our brain will be working well. So I understand that we don't want to have this problem, but I'm very happy these projects in our institute will be maybe solving problems of many of us. It's very nice to see many people from all the world. It's very nice to see many young people. I'm also very happy to see Dočkal, which is like engine of these crazy ideas, but always he's also able to realize his crazy idea. So I'm very happy this day is one of the days when something is not starting exactly, but in the beginning. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And now it's your turn, Professor, Mr. Václav Snášel, Director of CLARA Center from INDRC.
Good afternoon. One time in history where Europe is more efficient is that we cannot distinguish between art and science. And we said that something about metaphor. Metaphor is what we are looking for today because we have very complex data, we have very complex problem, and we need understanding this problem. We need to understand how this data work, how this theory work. For it is usually needed some metaphor, something from art, for music, for literature, because without it we cannot move this forward. It is time where Leonardo da Vinci concentrate any knowledge. They don't distinguish between art and science, and I think now is time to join art and science with some nice metaphor. So thank you for attention, and I wish you pleasant stay in CLARA Days.